handsome. Hush my mommy films. Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how I cover up this lovely acne on my face. I'm going to be using an affordable full coverage foundation that you can use too. If you want to see how I cover up this, then go ahead and keep on watching. Hopefully today's video won't be too long. I will try and make it as short and sweet as possible, but as I'm applying my foundation, I am also going to be talking about my acne and kind of what I think is going on, and yeah, I'll just give you my little background on it, okay? So I have here a damp beauty sponge. I almost said blender. A damp Real Techniques clean sponge. I try to wash these every single time I use them because once again, I'm a freaking weirdo about my acne. I don't understand what's going on. For the brand, I'll be using the Ulta Beauty HD Full Coverage Liquid Foundation. Just look like this. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna be a good color match to this, but this is in the color medium to deep cool. It's like on the verge of my summer shade, so hopefully this is gonna work out. The foundation says full coverage liquid foundation formulated with spherical powders to help create a soft focused finish and a smooth and even complexion. That's what we need, girl. And then for my primer, I'm gonna go in with the Ulta Beauty Poreless Face Primer. This says it reduces the appearance of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles, enriched with grapeseed oil and safflower oil to soften and smooth skin. Creates a perfect base to help extend the wear of makeup. Perfect, we're gonna need that. Okay, so while I'm priming my face and letting it sit in a little bit, I am going to, this also says it's mineral and oil free as well as paraben, okay? I'm sure this is like a silicone-y type, but for my skin type, you guys, I am oily combination skin. I've always struggled with acne since I was really young. I think starting about 12 or 13 years old, I started getting acne in middle school and stuff like that, you know, typical, oh gosh, teenage years. I've always struggled with acne, and I've also always struggled with depression. Well, fast forward to, let's see, 3 years ago, I got on birth control. I'm just gonna let my primer set in while I talk with you guys. When I started birth control 3 years ago, it really helped me so much. I forget what it's called, microgestion or something like that. I don't know if it was any good for you or whatever the case may be. I was just very irregular, and I really was concerned about my acne, and I wanted to clear up so desperately. So my doctor prescribed me to this birth control, and it was a very low dose of it, and it happened to make me regular again. I lost a lot of weight on this birth control, as well as cleared up my acne like completely. Like my skin was amazing, it was perfect. It didn't matter what products I put on my face. I wasn't breaking out because I was in the clear. And then also it helped me get rid of my depression. I was depression free. Didn't feel depressed anymore. I don't know what it was. I am led to believe I have a hormonal imbalance. Actually, I'm pretty sure that I have a hormone imbalance. I think somehow birth control, obviously that's what it does. It kind of levels you out. Fast forward 2 years after using birth control, I decided to quit because me and my husband were thinking about having a child, but it just isn't, the timing's not right for us yet, you know? That's just a topic for another day. Anyways, I quit doing it. I got really healthy about a year ago. I decided to do the whole lifestyle change and quit birth control 2018 in March. By the end of July, my skin kind of started freaking out a little bit. I was like, you know, not really. I probably had like one of these, and it was always on my cheeks. I'd have like 1 or 2 pimples on my cheeks, and I was like, oh, you know, it's probably foundation that I've been using, whatever the case may be, that's probably just freaking my skin out. It's no big deal. Well, it started to get worse and worse. Since the end of July last year, I've been trying all different types of skincare products, all different types of remedies, so many different things, and I just can't seem to clear my acne up. So I don't wear foundation much these days unless I'm going out or on a trip or vacation or anything like that. I really try to limit when I put products on my face. That's another reason why it's been hard for me to get my channel back up and going, is because I've just been super down about it. I just really don't feel the best when I just have pimples like shining in people's faces. It's just not, I feel like it's not something people can really focus on what you're trying to say when you're just rocking it, you know? So today I'm just gonna overcome that, and we're gonna whip on some of this stuff, and yeah, let's cover this bad boy up. This is just the number 4 BH Cosmetics brush. Yeah, I'm just gonna put a little slit on here. I think I figured out how I can see that, if that's a good color match. It's not too bad. Yeah, this is pretty full coverage. Yeah, I got these bumps all over my forehead, y'all. I don't know. I mean, I've been trying to clear it up. I swapped all my products over to all natural products. I mean, I'm really starting to do a lot of research and realize that it might not be products that I'm putting on my face. It might be something internally of what's going on. So I actually found some really awesome stuff about probably 3 weeks ago. I don't know when you'll see this video. As of filming this video, I've been using these products for 3 weeks. Well, it's a supplement, and I don't know yet. A lot of people I've heard say, I think I gotta work fast with this stuff. A lot of people have said that it takes about 2 months for you to really start seeing the benefit of what I've been taking. If y'all wanna see a video, if I do start to clear my acne up with this stuff, and how I did it, just leave in the comments below. Let me know. And yeah, I can't remember the price of this foundation, but I wanted to do an affordable foundation so you guys can go out there and not have to spend too much money. I think this was only like $8, $9, hopefully not over $10, because it actually covers pretty well. All right, guys, so my camera died. Sorry about that. I feel like I'm looking a little orange. That might just be, here, I don't look that bad. Oh, I don't know, you guys. We'll see how this video turns out, okay? So that was the foundation. I did about 2 layers, and I like the coverage. I gotta say, in person, it looks pretty decent. I don't typically do concealer. I'm like flicking y'all off, sorry about that. I don't typically do concealer underneath my eyes, but we are doing full coverage, so for the sake of this video, I'm using the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. This is in the shade NW25. And I'm just gonna use that brush again. And MAC, normally, it wasn't breaking me out back then when I was on birth control, but now it does, but that's okay because I really have faith in this supplement. I have faith because I'm led to believe it's not really what I'm putting on my skin, it's more of what's going on inside of me, so that's what this helps to take care of, is internally, from the inside out. All right, is there anything else I need to say about my acne? I don't remember. Y'all, I'm super boring. Any of you are wondering, I'm a boring A person, and all right, so that's done. Now, since we're keeping it budget friendly, I'm going to go in with my powder that I swore that I have swore by for many years. Many years. Okay, so I'm just going in with the BH Cosmetics number 3 brush. It's just a flat brush, but I'm going to use the Rimmel London Stay Matte Powder. This is in the shade 005 Silky Beige. Normally I get Sandstorm. I think every video I've ever filmed, which you guys should know. I mean, I haven't filmed many videos in the past forever, but we're working on it, y'all. We're working on it. Yeah, normally I wear Sandstorm. I don't know what it is about this powder. You know what? It's not the best ingredients. I do a lot of detoxing and stuff though, so I don't know. I don't understand. When my skin was clear, I was eating horribly. Now I eat so well, and it's like, it doesn't matter. One day my skin could be starting to be okay, and then the next it's got like 12 friends, and then they brought their siblings over here to say hey. But anyways, so I love this powder. Not the best ingredients. I breathe like ingredients now and it just kills me, but I'm learning how to detox and not wear stuff as much as I used to. Not rely on it. Yeah, that needed a little adjusting. So here is what my skin looks like now. It looks pretty good. Because these are kind of raised, you can see it a little bit. That is how I cover up my acne with an affordable full coverage foundation. I would do the rest of my face on camera, but I will come back with the rest of my makeup done and we will see with contour and blush what it looks like, and I'll be back. Okay, you guys, I went ahead and handsome. You cannot be up here while I'm filming. Handsome. Why are you so cute? You guys, I got a new cat. What he's gonna do? He's new to me, but we adopted a cat and he's so sweet. This is not supposed to happen. Handsome. Hush while mommy films. So this is the finished look I ended up doing off camera because I didn't want to bore you guys with the details. I will list everything that I used in the description box below. I didn't do highlighter because I feel like when you're breaking out, it's just not something that you want to emphasize, especially in your cheeks. That being said, I didn't do highlighter, but this is my look. Just a simple handsome. Mommy is filming. You cannot do this while mommy is filming. I didn't even think about that when I got him 2 weeks ago and me wanting to start to film what was gonna happen. So I guess this is what I get. But yeah, so everything I used, I will leave down below. I hope you're able to use some of the products that I used to help you cover up your acne, girl, because I understand it's a struggle. And I want to talk about it more on my channel about acne and what we could do to help cure our acne together. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Until next time, I will see you all in the next one.